In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sendgrid for beginners. We're going to walk through how to send a one-time marketing email called a single send using Sendgrid. This is perfect if you want to send a newsletter, a promotion, or an announcement to your audience without setting up a whole automated campaign. Once you're logged into your Sendgrid account, start by looking over at the left-hand sidebar. Find the option labeled Marketing and click it. This is where all of your marketing-related tools live, including your campaigns, contact lists, and templates. Next, within the marketing section, look for Single Sends. Go ahead and click on Single Sends, and then move to the top right corner of the page and select the button that says Create Single Send. This opens up the flow for building a one-time email campaign from start to finish. Now you'll be asked to choose a template. Sendgrid gives you a few options here. You can pick a pre-built Sendgrid design, which is great if you want something polished quickly. You can choose one of your own previously saved templates if you've created any before. Or, if you want full control over the layout and content, you can start from a blank template. Choose the option that best matches what you're trying to send. After choosing your template, select the design editor. This is Sendgrid's drag-and-drop editor that makes it easy to build an email visually without needing to write any code. It's ideal for beginners and still powerful enough for more advanced layouts. Before you dive too deep into the visuals, switch over to the Settings tab for this single send. Here, you'll configure the key details that control how your email is sent. First, set your From Sender. This should be a verified sender email that you've already added and confirmed in your Sendgrid account. Using a verified sender is important for deliverability and making sure your emails don't get flagged as spam. Next, enter your subject line. This is what people will see in their inbox, so keep it clear, honest, and aligned with the content of your email. A straightforward, benefit-focused subject usually works well. Then choose your recipients. You can select existing lists or segments that you've already set up in Sendgrid. Lists are broad groups of contacts, while segments allow you to target a specific subset based on conditions you define. Pick whichever group you want to receive this particular email. With your settings in place, head back to designing the email itself. In the design editor, you can drag and drop different content blocks, like text, images, buttons, and dividers, directly into your email. Click on each block to customize the content, adjust fonts and colors, and add your links. Take a moment to make sure the email is easy to read, looks good on both desktop and mobile, and clearly guides your reader toward any action you want them to take, such as clicking a button or visiting a page. When you're happy with both the design and the settings, it's time to send. Look for the option that says Review Details and Send, and click it. This final screen gives you a quick summary of your sender, subject line, recipients, and content. Double-check everything one last time, and if it all looks correct, confirm to launch your single send immediately. And that's the full process of creating and sending a single send email in Sendgrid, from navigating the marketing section to designing your email and finally sending it out to your chosen audience.